In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Clipchamp step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Adding background music is one of the easiest ways to make your videos more engaging, professional, and enjoyable to watch, whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, or simple edits for personal use. I'll walk you through exactly where to find music in Clipchamp, how to add it to your timeline, and how to adjust it so it fits perfectly with your video. For this tutorial, I'll be using stock audio inside Clipchamp, but the same process applies if you want to import your own music files as well. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and start by either creating a new project or opening an existing one that already has your video clips on the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see the main menu panel. This is where all your media, effects, and tools live. To add music using Clipchamp's built-in options, click on the Content Library tab. Inside the Content Library, you'll find several categories like stock videos, images, graphics, and most importantly for this tutorial, music and sound effects. Click on the Music section, and you'll see a wide range of royalty-free tracks that you can use directly in your videos. You can browse through different moods, genres, or themes, or you can use the search bar to find something specific. When you find a track you like, you can click the play button to preview it and make sure it fits the style and pacing of your video. Once you've chosen the music you want, simply click and drag that audio track down to the timeline. Make sure you place it underneath your video clips so it appears on an audio track rather than a video layer. As soon as you drop it onto the timeline, the music will automatically be added to your project and start playing from the position where you placed it. Now let's talk about adjusting the music so it sounds right. Click on the audio track in the timeline to select it, and then look over to the right-hand side for the Property panel. This panel gives you full control over how the music behaves in your video. From here, you can adjust the volume to make sure the music doesn't overpower your voice or other important sounds. A good rule of thumb is to keep background music lower than dialogue, so everything remains clear and easy to understand. You can also add fade-ins and fade-outs to your music using the fade controls in the Property panel. This helps the audio start and end smoothly instead of cutting off abruptly, which makes your video feel more polished. If you need the music to be shorter or longer, you can simply drag the edges of the audio clip on the timeline to trim it. You can also move the track left or right to line it up perfectly with your video. If you want to speed up or slow down the audio, Clipchamp also gives you speed controls. Although for background music, keeping it at normal speed usually works best. Now, if you prefer to use your own music instead of stock audio, the process is very similar. You would just go to the Media tab instead of the Content Library, import your MP3 or WAV file from your computer, and then drag it onto the timeline the same way. All the adjustment options in the Property panel will still apply. And that's really all there is to adding music in Clipchamp. Once you've adjusted the volume, fades, and timing, play your video back from the beginning to make sure everything sounds just right. When you're happy with the result, you can move on to exporting your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tips, editing tutorials, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.